Welcome back to the channel. As you may have already guessed, I have a Tinyhawk. Really like the Tinyhawk. I've done a little custom work to the Tinyhawk. But one of the big things about it that was promised to us that never happened was turtle mode. Does your Tinyhawk do this in turtle mode? I'm willing to guess it probably does. Well, I got something in today that should fix that. Some four-bladed Tinyhawk turtle mode props. It's a fix that Emax has put out. Of course, you do have to pay for the privilege to be able to do turtle mode like you were supposed to in the beginning. But, oh well, these props break anyways, so might as well upgrade to the four-blade props. So we'll go ahead and swap these out and see how it works. First things first, we got to get our old props off. This always scares the crap out of me because I feel like I got to pull really, really hard on these old props to get them off. Just try to grab a hold of something sturdy and hopefully you don't break a strut like I did right there. That one was already broken, I think. I hope so. And just try to pull straight up with them. There's not a whole lot to get a hold of. So you just kind of wiggle them until they pop off. There we go. Like I said, try very hard not to crush these struts. This one was already pretty much ready to break anyways, if I can zoom in here. You can see, maybe you can see it. You can see the crack starting right around the hub right there. These are my original props, and I've put a lot of packs and a lot of crashes through them. And let's get prop number 4 off. This guy's really on there. Oh, anybody's got a better way to do this, please let me know. I'm really worried I'm going to break something here. That sucker is on there. Oh, there we go. Whew. I swore I was going to break something. All right. So I didn't throw this one in the pile because I'm pretty terrible about figuring out the rotation of these things. So I'll leave one there just so I can have something to start from. So, like most props, left and right hand props, I'm just going to match this up with my old one here like that. All right. So all we got to do now is line up the spokes with the spokes on the motor. And just gently push it till it clicks. Give it a spin, make sure it's on there nice and straight and uniform. And repeat for the rest. It's 4 new 4-bladed turtle mode props. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Let's see if it'll turtle mode. Still doesn't seem to work. So I have to do some research, figure this one out. All right, we're here. We got connected to Betaflight. Go into the CLI and type get flip. Now I have Project Mockingbird and flashed to this board, and I don't know if this is a value that was changed in that CLI dump, but what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and copy that. Come on here, type set. We'll paste that in there and change this to 0 and hit save. So what this command does is it uses 75% of the other motors during crash flip is the best of what I can get. We don't want any other motors to help out. We want just the motors to turn that are supposed to turn. So type save and disconnect. All right, we're back. We've got our 4-bladed props on, and we've gone ahead and configured this properly in Betaflight. Let's give it a shot. Perfect. Well, there you have it. Quick, easy mod. Be able to use turtle mode like you originally should have been able to use from the factory. Unfortunately, yeah, you do have to purchase the props and maybe alter a little bit of line of code in Betaflight. I'm not sure if that's just particular to my build or if everybody's going to be like that. But either way, super easy, super quick, and super effective. No more chasing after this guy after I crash it. I'll just build turtle mode. All right. If you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe. Hit me up if you have any comments or questions down below. And again, easy fix. All right, guys. Keep flying.